The Jewelry Exchange is a direct diamond importer and jewelry manufacturer with thousands of GIA diamonds at the guaranteed lowest price. By importing diamonds directly from site holders and manufacturing most of our own jewelry, our prices are up to 80% less than our competitors. Compare our competitors' top quality 1/3 carat band for $3,500 with ours for just $699. And a variety of shapes and sizes means we have diamonds for every budget, like these diamond anniversary bands for $99 to $399 per carat, and 2-carat platinum anniversary bands for $39.90. Buy factory direct and save. The Jewelry Exchange.